So it's been exactly 2 weeks since I installed these micro twists for starter locks. So with that being said, today is wash day. So I got these wig caps, the beige kind, regular stocking caps, and then I got the jumbo wig cap. But I'm gonna try with the beige one first to see if all my hair will fit into the beige stocking cap. It says one size fits all, slip free, ultra stretch, light and durable. And I really just bought that color because when I watched, I think her name is Toni, well, it's all capital letters, T-O-N-I. She washed her hair, her starter locks with this colored stocking cap. And then I just thought, like, if I use this color, what if the dye bleeds onto my hair or something, whatever. But we're gonna try with this and see if all of my hair can fit into this regular size one. I mean, my hair is pretty fluffy and thick, so we're gonna see. Okay, so all my hair is fitting into this cap. I feel like I can easily get to my scalp. Maybe, you know, it might be a little hard in the back, but I think for the most part, it'll be easy for me to get to my scalp using this method. And yeah, so wash day, first wash day with my locks. Hopefully that might help with those ends that are a bit frizzy, because I am experiencing a lot of frizz with my, well, on my ends, which I try to like twirl around my finger to like make it not so frizzy, but whatever, it is what it is. So yeah, so I'm gonna be using the Dr. Bronner's soap for my shampoo, and I'll be moisturizing with rose water, and I added some glycerin into this bottle, shook it up, and I made my own little rose water and glycerin product. So I will be moisturizing my hair with this after I finish washing it. As far as conditioner, I'm not gonna use conditioner right now because I think I was moisturizing my hair way too much because I was spritzing it like every day, but I think that's entirely too much. So I decided that I'm gonna moisturize my hair on Wednesdays and Sundays, but excuse me, of course I'm gonna do it today after I wash my hair because I'm washing my hair. So all right, let's go wash our hair. So I have a little turby tie here that I'm gonna use to dry my hair after I'm finished washing. Okay, so I wrap my hair up in my turby tie to let it kind of air dry a little bit before I take my stocking cap off, and then before I go in with my rose water and glycerin mix to moisturize, and that'll be the end of my wash day. Once my hair dries a little bit, I'll take my scarf off to show you the results of me air drying and using this stocking cap method to tell you whether it kept my twist intact or not. So I'm also gonna go in with some of my Jamaican black castor oil just on the actual twist, not on my scalp, because I don't want to clog up my scalp and get it back dirty and itchy. And then to stretch my hair, I'm gonna put it in these clips in little sections and just keep it like that for a couple of, maybe an hour, just to stretch it out, because that's typically what I do in the morning too, to stretch my hair back out after I take my bonnet off. So let's go in with some oil. I'm only gonna use that much, not too much, because I don't want to make my hair back greasy and all of that. And my twist actually did pretty good in that stocking cap method. So I'm gonna keep doing that until they are fully matured. I like the way that it made my curls look. Let's get ready to stretch. Okay, so I know I'm looking crazy for right now, and ignore these two little teeny ones here. They held up too. But anyway, I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but this is just to stretch my hair while it air dries, and then I will come back and show you the results of my first wash day. So guys, these are the results, and I actually am really happy with them. So I think that I'm going to continue to use that stocking cap method until my locks start to mature a bit. So probably for the next 3 or 4 months I will be washing my hair that way. Yeah, because it didn't disappoint. So if you have starter locks, I would suggest you using that method as well to keep your twist or braids intact. Or you could use the braiding and banding method, but since I didn't use that, I can't tell you you know, how that did for me. I can only tell you how the stocking cap method did, which it did really well. So I'm happy with the results, even though shrinkage, but what can you do? All right guys, see you in my next video.